licensed person ng Mount Zion, Baliwag branch. Ito po yung aming Mount Zion na makikilala sa kanyang opening kasi ito po yung aming pabungad. Ito po yung aming binibenta. May mga loan lot po kami dito na affordable naman po kasi pwede siyang spot cash, 50% down payment, 20% down payment, tapos yung 80% po niya pwedeng hulugan. So, pwede rin po na reservation lang, and then yung kanyang balanse ay 2 years to pay.
2 years.
Ito po yung aming first black page 1, page 2, page 3, basta po hanggang page 5 po kami, madami po kami pwedeng i-avail nyo. Meron kaming 4 lot garden, meron kaming family estate, 12 lot family estate, 15 lot family estate, 18 lot family estate, and 24 lot family estate. Welcome po kayo dito pag sa mga buyers na gustong mag-inquire, just PM lang po.